What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the message notifications not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, force stop the SMS app. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on scroll down and click on messages app. And then click on this force stop option. Now from the pop-up, again tap on OK to confirm, and after that the messages notifications will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then move to the next solution. So check for sleep mode. If the SMS app is in sleep mode, then remove it from that sleep mode. So to check, open settings, scroll down and click on battery, and then click on background usage limits. Now click on, first of all, turn off put unused apps to sleep, and then click on sleeping apps. Check the messages app here. If the messages app is here, then remove it, but if it's not here, then go back and check in deep sleeping apps. Now if your messages app in deep sleeping apps folder, then remove it. So to remove, press and hold on the app and then tap on remove. So after doing this, the SMS app will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue while receiving notifications, then check if you have enabled the do not disturb mode or not. So if you have enabled the do not disturb, you will not be able to receive notifications from some apps. So open settings, scroll down and click on notifications, and then click on do not disturb. Now here you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if this button is enabled, it means do not disturb is enabled and you will not be able to receive notifications. So make sure this is turned off, and after turning off this button, you will be able to receive notifications from the messages app. Now after all these settings, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here, scroll down and click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the messages app notifications issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.